Hi YouTube, this is cool. One of my YouTube friends is an inventor, and he invented a little multi-tool and designed it, invented it, manufactured it, and is now selling it online. Guess what? It's less than 10 bucks. He sent me his website. I checked it out. I said, yeah, that's a nice little tool. So he sent me one. And I agreed to do a review on it. So here we go. Alright, this is how the Screwpop multi-tool came. Comes from Lee's Summit, Missouri. Nice padded envelope. There it is. It is actually $4.95 plus shipping, handling, and taxes. It's still less than 10 bucks. This is a well-made, I don't exactly know what kind of metal it is, but it's chrome-plated, it's finished very well, it's laser-etched. The camera won't pick it up because there's no contrast, but it says Screwpop here, and it's got the website around here, www.screwpoptool.com. It is 4 tools in one. It's a bottle opener. It is both a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Reversible bit, locks into place, will not fall out. And with the bit removed, it is a 1/4 inch nut driver. Very clever. Yeah, there is very simple instructions. Nut driver, Phillips driver, flathead driver, fits on your keyring. It'll probably take a little practice to open bottles with it. Yeah, but after 2 beers, I'm sure that's all it's going to take. Put it on my keyring, and I will carry it for a few days, and hopefully I'll get a chance to use it. It's about as thick as 2 or 3 keys, but it's actually shorter than my car key, so doesn't take up a lot of room. It weighs 1 ounce. That's it, 1 ounce. But you have with the ring and the little bottle top lifter for leverage for your thumb, you have a good deal of leverage for turning screws. And the shaft here gives you leverage for opening bottles. I would demonstrate it, but I don't have any bottles with metal tops. Sorry about that. But yeah, it is a well-made tool. It's $4.95 plus shipping and tax. Yeah, I recommend it. I like it. It's going to be part of my EDC. Check them out at screwpoptool.com. Thank you for watching, and Brett, good job. I like it. Peace out.
Oh, hot damn, this is my jam. Keep me partying to the AM. Y'all don't understand. Make me throw my hands in the air, 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 air.